So November is National Impotency Awareness Month. Impotency is inability in men to achieve or maintain erection or orgasm. Impotency is becoming more and more common with the busy lifestyle and stressful life. And it can be really embarrassing for men to talk about it. Purpose of bringing awareness to impotency and erectile dysfunction is to get rid of stigma and encourage men to seek medical help. The goal is that more and more men suffering from impotency to feel confident enough to ask their medical provider for help. So like I said, it's the stressful life that's the most common cause of early impotency in younger individuals. So what causes impotency? Physical issues like heart disease, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, obesity, excessive alcohol use, smoking, certain medication, and certain type of surgeries like prostate surgery can cause impotency and erectile dysfunction. There are other side of the causes, which is a psychological condition. So psychological conditions like depression, anxiety, stress, relationship problem, sleep problem, and other mental disorder can make impotency or erectile dysfunction worse. In my next video, I'll talk about the stuff you can do to improve the symptoms of erectile dysfunction or impotency. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something about optimizing your overall health. Talk to your medical provider before starting any treatment. Let us know what other topics you want me to cover. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more videos.